There you go. Hold thumbs. Another package has just arrived, and I hope it's the one I've been waiting for. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for. Excellent. The Freewell, compatible with DJI Osmo Pocket, all-day filter 8-pack. Let me bring this a bit closer to the camera. Freewell, very nicely packaged. Let's open this. Cleaning cloth, and then the filters. This one's for cloudy days, partly cloudy days, normal sunny days, reducing glare, partly cloudy days, reducing glare, sunny days, reducing glare, bright sunny days and reducing glare, and the last one, very bright sunny days and reducing glare. Very good. Let's see how this works. Let's just take the first one. It is magnetic, so it should just snap on. And it does. Let's switch it on. Start up, no problem. Get it to video. Very exciting. Can't wait to put this to the test. The DJI Osmo Pocket with the all-day filter 8-pack from Freewell. Happy days. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, select the notification button for further videos, and thanks for watching.